Welcome to the tutorial for submitting your request for services. You will start by signing into your Student Eagle Advisor. Once you are logged in, you will click on the Student Eagle Advisor link. This link is located on the right side of the screen. On the right side of this next page, under the Payment and Purchases header, you will find the DSPS Request for Services link at the bottom of the list. Click the DSPS Request for Services link to begin your request for services. You are now on the DSPS Request for Services page. On the left side of the page, you will need to select the correct term. You will then click the Submit button in the middle of the page. You are now on the course selection page. You will begin by clicking the first course on the left side of the page. Once you click the course name, the Approved Accommodations drop-down menu will automatically update with your approved accommodations. You will then click Add until you have added all of the accommodations you will use for the course. It is extremely important to click Add for all of your accommodations because if you do not add each accommodation, your request for services will not be submitted correctly. You will need to complete this process for each course listed on the screen. Once you have added your accommodations for each course, you will scroll down and read the authorization statement. Once you have read the statement, you must click the box in the lower left corner of the page stating you agree with the authorization statement. Next, you will need to click the Submit button. This next screen is a summary of the courses and accommodations you have added. You will need to click the Submit button on the center of the page to complete your submission for your request for services. You are now brought back to the Eagle Advisor menu. Make sure you log out using the Log Out button on the upper right side of the page.